Hi guys, welcome to PCs and EVs here. So I'm actually in the beginning stages of rebuilding my main editing and gaming rig. So look forward to future updates on the channel about that. But the specifications for it are it's a fully water cooled dual 3090 Kingpin Ryzen 9 5950X. 32 gigs of DDR4 4000 megahertz memory system. I used it for quite a while. Then the motherboard died. I had to RMA that, so I had to tear the whole system apart, and it's been a major pain. I then got lazy, haven't put it back together for a couple months because I've had the motherboard back. And so right now I'm waiting on thermal paste, and we should be having a few more updates coming shortly. And then this is just a visual representation of some of the previous iterations of this build. I just kind of wanted to give a little bit of a voiceover and show that off. It should end up looking out like this at some point shortly.